Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Here we're showing you a good old farm truck. 188-559 has a new transmission in it. They just rebuilt it. There you can see it's in 4-wheel drive. Horn doesn't work. Dash lights do. With fans blowing, you can hear that. Radio doesn't work. Wipers do. 460 in it. See all your gauges work. Power window. And your lock. So radio and horn. Dome light works. And there's your lights. And your tail lights. So, you got a fifth wheel in it too. So, just need a good old farm truck. Give us a call, 605-692-7010.